Open your browser and search bing.com. If you do not have an account, so please sign up. Click on Images menu. You can use this popular images or videos. Click on Create menu. Here are some ideas you can use for free. You can get prompt ideas from here. Now type prompt here. I would like to give best idea to Bing. Click on Create button. A few seconds later, you will get an amazing results. Now check the result. If you don't like the picture, then click again on Create button. Check again. If you want to download, so click on Download option. Now make some changes in prompt. Check the result. I hope you like this tutorial. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.